In this video, I'll show you how to add an API in BASE44 step by step. First, go to the BASE44 website and log in to your account. After logging in, open the project where you want to use the API. With the project open, look at the left sidebar. Now click on the API option. Inside the API tab, you will see integration examples available. BASE44 already provides ready-to-use code examples. You can choose the programming language, such as JavaScript or Python. Now select the entity you want to use, such as contacts or data. The system will automatically generate an API request example. In the example, you will see information such as endpoint, headers, and API key. Copy the provided code. Now add this code to your project or application. Replace the necessary information according to your needs. After that, save the changes and test the integration.